Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kutlwano and on today's video we are making PJs. Now I have procrastinated on this project for the longest of time and winter is upon us. So I'm making PJs for me and my partner because we have gowns together that I made like a while back. So I thought, how about matching PJs? So I am cutting everything for doubles. We wear amounts, like we wear almost the same size, so I feel like they're gonna fit him. The only difference though might be because I want my hands to be like big and my legs to be huge as well by the bottoms of my legs, so that might not be like aesthetically good for him. So we're gonna like tweak them a little bit so that they fit him better. You know, they look more like manly than more feminine. I don't know if I make sense, but yeah. But pattern wise, I did cut the same thing, and we will just see as time goes by and when he fits them if they're gonna fit well on him. He doesn't know that I'm making PJs for myself. Even he doesn't know that I'm making PJs for us, so I'm gonna keep it a secret until he comes and I'm like, here's your PJs. Yes. For patterns, I'm gonna be using one of my clothes as patterns to like draw the patterns from them. For the top, I'm gonna use this blue like vest I have. It's big, it's a little bit big on me, so I feel like it's gonna be the perfect fit for the PJs. And then for the bottom, I'm gonna use this pants. They have that palazzo finish, like that big leg finish, so I think they're gonna work best for me. They fit me perfectly as well, so I'm not gonna try and draw the pattern. Not for this project. Not for this project, please, because your pattern drawing, no guys, that is the end, and that's where if I make it through pattern drawing, I know I'm gonna be fine, because that thing, you will draw that thing like 3 to 4, 5 times. Keep making mistakes. Not this time. I'm not in the mood. I'm just gonna sample my clothes and we're gonna hope for the best. So now I have sampled the top, but I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger than what it looks like here, because I want myself to like be free, and all of that. Don't mind this, please. I was not in the mood to deal with that. But as you can see, I folded the t-shirt around where the hands literally go. But this is just the wrap. I'm gonna cut way out because I want it to be like as big as possible. But I'm not gonna cut both layers at the same time because they are different. So actually, no, I just had an idea. I'm gonna cut both of them at the same time. Remember, this is not gonna be fitted, so I'm gonna cut with the outside layer. I mean the biggest layer, which is your back. Your back is literally the biggest layer. So I'm gonna cut using the back, and then I'm gonna trim the front afterward. So I'm gonna cut using the back for now. So that way I'm gonna cut both layers at the same time, as you can see me doing. But I'm cutting way out, like I said, because I want it to be as free as it possibly can be. So that's why I am going out with this much. This is no longer about seam allowance, but this is about being able to just move in this t-shirt. Onto the pants, as you can see, I have laid it down, and you need to keep in mind the thingy, I don't know what, I think the crotch Yeah, you need to keep in mind the crotch. The back crotch is much more extended than the front one. So here I am gonna be cutting the back. I'm gonna leave that space there because this has an elastic band, and I'm gonna come out a little bit here because of the elastic band. But the lens and everything else I'm gonna keep the same. So we are on to cutting. With the pants, I'm not gonna make large seam allowances because these like fits the way I want like my pants to fit. So I'm not gonna make any adjustments to it. Let me give you guys a quick update on what I have achieved so far ever since yesterday. I was able to actually finish almost all like the major stitches. As you can see, the vision is coming together. The hands are extra long. I'm gonna have to cut them like a few inches, I think 5. But I like the length of them in all. I like this length. I feel like it's fine. You can wear it as a dress, for me at least. And then the pants, I'm also done. I just need to put in an elastic band here and fold the bottom and make it level because it's not really like that level. And then I'm not gonna put elastic bands on the hands and on the legs unless he wants his to have elastic bands. Then I'm gonna install elastic bands for him. But for me, I'm not gonna install any elastic bands. So for now, I just need to make the space for the elastic bands for the waist, fold the hands of the top, and then close it at the bottom as well. And then we'll be done.